Hey everyone, today we're going to link TripleWhale and Klaviyo to ensure your marketing data flows correctly between platforms. This connection lets you use TripleWhale's metrics directly in your Klaviyo segmentation and campaigns. 1. Locate the integration's settings in Klaviyo. We start within your Klaviyo dashboard to find the correct setup area. Log in and open menu. Log in to your Klaviyo account. In the bottom left corner of the dashboard, click your account name to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Integrations. Click the Integrations option from the menu. This page shows all your currently connected and available apps. Initiate New Integration. Locate the Add App button consistently placed in the top right corner of the Integrations page and click it. 2. Search, select, and add the TripleWhale app. You will use the search function provided in the Integrations window to filter and find the specific app. Search. Use the search box on the next screen and type the name TripleWhale. Select App. The search results will display TripleWhale as a selectable application. Click to select it. Proceed. Press the Add App button to proceed to the credentials entry step. 3. Enter credentials and verify data flow. This is the final, crucial step to authenticate the connection and confirm data transfer. Enter credentials. A prompt will appear asking for your TripleWhale login information. Fill in the necessary details and click the confirmation button. Confirm status. The platforms are now linked. Go back to the Integrations page and verify that the connection status shows connected. Test data flow. To be absolutely sure, check your Klaviyo metrics. You should see recent TripleWhale metrics like cost data or acquisition events appearing in your Klaviyo reports, confirming the data is flowing successfully. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.